We feel we've delivered on that, and hopefully you guys will see that when we come out and do some hands-on with some of this bigger lumber. But we also know that cordless inherently means more portable. And we're not thinking that you're going to pick this thing up and move it around like you do a cordless drill or sawzall. But we also know users are constantly, day to day out, having to pick these tools up, get them on.
Go ahead, Joe.
Set that.
Last year at MPS, you saw us launch the M18 Fuel 7¼ circular saw. This year, I'm extremely excited to announce that in July, we are launching the M18 Fuel 7¼ rear handle circular saw, which takes the power and performance end users who are in the corded worm drive style demand, puts it on an 18-volt platform. When we went out into the field and spoke to end users, we consistently heard from them